Today is a really special day for us. We have the new 992 GT3 RS. Actually, it's the first time we serve a 992 GT3 RS at our premises. And we are really excited because the owner trusted us with the setup of this car. And you are also here to experience what is all this fuss about this car. The photos circulating on the press don't do justice on the car. The attention to detail is really amazing, and we are really excited for what's coming. We have previous experience on the blue 992, as you previously seen on the videos. All in all, we know what to expect. Stay with us. We will share some details about the setup and share with you also the driving experience after we finish with the setup. Just finished with the setup of the 992 GT3 RS, and it's time to go on track, check what the car does and how it behaves on a series circuit. Series circuit, for most of you haven't been here, it's really technical. It has slow corners, fast corners, long duration corners, so it's really a test for the balance of every car, and let's hope we nailed the setup this time. Very responsive front end, right from the beginning, even with cold tires. What's impressive is the steering wheel. I mean, you can carry a lot more speed. The car doesn't even have to try to do the extra stuff. The camber we added actually almost did not affect the braking distance, so happy about that. By far the best 911 so far, and I really love this orientation that the 911 is taking with a double wishbone and with the help of aerostaff. It's really an extra help and understanding to the pure driving, because the only time you can actually feel and make a difference with this car is the moment you push it. If you don't push it, then it feels like a slow car. But the moment you address to the threshold of aero, and you take advantage of the braking, and you take advantage of the speed that it can carry mid-corner, it it's by far a better experience than any other 911 so far. In the 991, you get the feeling that you fight with the car and you get this extra satisfaction, but in terms of result, this is a far better platform and much better car to drive, and I think it's rewarding, not from scratch, but the moment you hit a certain threshold, it can be really satisfying. This was a video about the 992 GT3 RS. You had the opportunity to check the guys at the workshop doing their magic, and me personally, I was handed the keys to this incredible machine for a few laps here at CRS Racing Circuit. So I'm pretty excited about it, because for us here at Trackspeed it's a dream car, and I confirmed personally that all the fuss about this car is 100% unique. The double wishbone setup in the front transforms the front end, and also the aero plays important stuff, and each generation of the 911 has something new to offer without discrediting the previous generation. It's a truly unique driver's car. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and join us here at Trackspeed at CRS Racing Circuit for more action.